Which country banned chewing gum sales and imports in 1992 to keep its streets spotless? Is it A, South Korea, B, Singapore, or C, Japan? The correct answer is B, Singapore. A beloved chocolate egg with a toy inside is considered too dangerous for American children. In which country is it actually banned? Is it A, Canada, B, United States, or C, Australia? The correct answer is B, United States. Which country became the only nation in the world to completely ban baby walkers nationwide in 2004? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, New Zealand, or C, Canada? The correct answer is C, Canada. In which African nation can carrying a plastic bag land you 4 years in prison or a $40,000 fine? Is it A, Nigeria, B, South Africa, or C, Kenya? The correct answer is C, Kenya. Wearing camouflage clothing as a civilian could get you arrested on vacation in which Caribbean nation? Is it A, Trinidad and Tobago, B, Jamaica, or C, Barbados? The correct answer is C, Barbados. A specific color became so politically charged that it was temporarily restricted in which Southeast Asian country during protest periods? Is it A, Thailand, B, Malaysia, or C, Vietnam? The correct answer is B, Malaysia. Which country requires government permission for religious reincarnation, making it the most bureaucratic spiritual law ever? Is it A, Vietnam, B, China, or C, North Korea? The correct answer is B, China. Which country censored images of a beloved children's character because it became a political symbol? Is it A, Russia, B, China, or C, Iran? The correct answer is B, China. Which country restricted time travel as a TV and film genre, claiming it promotes feudalism and superstition? Is it A, China, B, Russia, or C, Saudi Arabia? The correct answer is A, China. In which country can tourists face up to 10 years in prison for bringing a vape or e-cigarette? Is it A, Indonesia, B, Philippines, or C, Thailand? The correct answer is C, Thailand. Which pioneering nation became the first country in the world to ban spanking children, setting a global precedent in 1979? Is it A, Sweden, B, Denmark, or C, Norway? The correct answer is A, Sweden. Which country restricts ketchup in school cafeterias to preserve its culinary traditions and prevent American condiment dominance? Is it A, Italy, B, Spain, or C, France? The correct answer is C, France. Which Scandinavian nation temporarily banned Marmite due to strict regulations on fortified foods and vitamin additives? Is it A, Denmark, B, Sweden, or C, Finland? The correct answer is A, Denmark. Which East African nation's militant group briefly banned samosas, claiming their triangular shape was religiously inappropriate? Is it A, Ethiopia, B, Somalia, or C, Kenya? The correct answer is B, Somalia. Which country has banned Scotland's national dish, haggis, since 1971 because it contains sheep lungs? Is it A, United States, B, United Kingdom, or C, Canada? The correct answer is A, United States. Which American state banned the production of foie gras, calling the luxury delicacy too controversial for ethical reasons? Is it A, Texas, B, California, or C, New York? The correct answer is B, California. Which Nordic island nation requires a government committee to approve baby names, rejecting ones deemed unsuitable? Is it A, Faroe Islands, B, Greenland, or C, Iceland? The The correct answer is C, Iceland. Which European country's judge rejected Nutella as a baby name, ruling it would make the child a laughingstock? Is it A, Germany, B, France, or C, Belgium? The correct answer is B, France. Which Arctic town effectively bans dying by requiring terminal patients to leave due to permafrost preventing natural decomposition? Is it A, Tromsø, Norway, B, Longyearbyen, Norway, or C, Svalbard, Russia? The correct answer is B, Longyearbyen, Norway. Which Italian beach town banned building sandcastles to protect its shoreline and prevent environmental damage? Is it A, Heraclea, B, Rimini, or C, Liguria? The correct answer is A, Heraclea. In which country do you risk hefty fines for feeding pigeons in historic city centers, as the birds damage centuries-old buildings? Is it A, Italy, B, France, or C, Spain? The correct answer is A, Italy. Which country prohibited high heels at ancient monuments because stilettos were literally chipping away at 2,000-year-old marble? Is it A, Italy, B, Greece, or C, Turkey? The correct answer is B, Greece. In which country can you get in trouble for flushing your toilet after 10 p.m. in an apartment building due to strict noise ordinances? Is it A, Switzerland, B, Sweden, or C, Netherlands? The correct answer is A, Switzerland. In which country is mowing your lawn on Sundays actually illegal in many regions, as the day of rest is protected by law? Is it A, Belgium, B, Denmark, or C, Germany? The correct answer is C, Germany. In which country is running out of fuel on the Autobahn considered illegal because it's deemed an avoidable situation? Is it A, Poland, B, Austria, or C, Germany? The correct answer is C, Germany. In which country is washing your car on Sundays banned in many regions, combining environmental protection with religious tradition? Is it A, France, B, Czech Republic, or C, Germany? The correct answer is C, Germany. In which country was there once a law banning the naming of pigs, Napoleon, protecting an emperor's dignity from farm animals? Is it A, Spain, B, France, or C, Belgium? The correct answer is B, France. In which country was kissing on train platforms actually banned until 2010 as a Victorian-era efficiency rule? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, Ireland, or C, France? The correct answer is A, United Kingdom. In which country is stepping on or disrespecting currency a serious criminal offense because banknotes bear the king's image? Is it A, Cambodia, B, Thailand, or C, Vietnam? The correct answer is B, Thailand. In which country is bringing durian fruit onto public transportation banned because it's simply too pungent for shared spaces? Is it A, Thailand, B, Singapore, or C, Malaysia? The correct answer is B, Singapore. In which country is selling chewing gum banned in stores, with only medical and dental gum exceptions allowed? Is it A, South Korea, B, Singapore, or C, Thailand? The correct answer is B, Singapore. Which country requires employers to measure employees' waistlines and faces penalties if workers fail health inspections? Is it A, China, B, Japan, or C, South Korea? The correct answer is B, Japan. Until 1989, which Scandinavian country classified skateboarding as too dangerous and kept it banned from public spaces? Is it A, Norway, B, Denmark, or C, Sweden? The correct answer is A, Norway. Which Asian country enforced a post-war law banning dancing after midnight until 2015 to prevent moral corruption? Is it A, South Korea, B, Vietnam, or C, Japan? The correct answer is C, Japan. In which European country is wearing flip-flops while driving considered illegal and dangerous? Is it A, Italy, B, France, or C, Spain? The correct answer is C, Spain. Which country has a Victorian-era law, still technically, on the books that bans carrying a plank of wood along a pavement? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, United States, or C, Canada? The correct answer is A, United Kingdom. Which Australian state bans the importation of potatoes to protect local crops from disease? Is it A, Western Australia, B, Victoria, or C, New South Wales? The correct answer is A, Western Australia. Which country briefly banned emo and punk clothing styles, viewing youth subcultures as threats to national values? Is it A, Belarus, B, Ukraine, or C, Russia? The correct answer is C, Russia. In which country are laser pointers banned because they became dangerous weapons for blinding pilots and disrupting aircraft? Is it A, Singapore, B, New Zealand, or C, Australia? The correct answer is C, Australia. Which major U.S. city became the first to find distracted pedestrians for texting while crossing the street? Is it A, Honolulu, Hawaii, B, San Francisco, or C, New York City? The correct answer is A, Honolulu, Hawaii. To protect priceless artworks from accidental damage by clumsy tourists, which country banned selfie sticks from its major museums? Is it A, Singapore, B, Japan, or C, South Korea? The correct answer is C, South Korea. Which authoritarian regime considers yoga pants so ideologically dangerous that wearing them in public is severely restricted? Is it A, North Korea, B, Turkmenistan, or C, Belarus? The correct answer is A, North Korea. Until recently, which Middle Eastern country banned all Valentine's Day celebrations, deeming the romantic holiday un-Islamic? Is it A, United Arab Emirates, B, Saudi Arabia, or C, Qatar? The correct answer is B, Saudi Arabia. Under which dictator's communist regime was the word game Scrabble banned because authorities feared it was dangerously subversive? Is it A, Enver Hoxha in Albania, B, Todor Zhivkov in Bulgaria, or C, Nicolae Ceausescu in Romania? The correct answer is C, Nicolae Ceausescu in Romania. Which country banned the augmented reality game Pokémon Go over security concerns about its location tracking capabilities? Is it A, China, B, Iran, or C, Russia? The correct answer is B, Iran. To protect its state-owned telecom monopoly, which country banned free voice calls over WhatsApp and other internet messaging apps? Is it A, United Arab Emirates, B, Kuwait, or C, Bahrain? The correct answer is A, United Arab Emirates. In which American state is operating a legal brothel the only place where prostitution is permitted under strict government regulation? Is it A, Nevada, B, New Mexico, or C, Rhode Island? The correct answer is A, Nevada. In which country is leaving your car keys in the ignition actually illegal, making it easier for thieves to steal your vehicle? Is it A, Australia, B, New Zealand, or C, Canada? The correct answer is A, Australia. Which country banned junk food advertising during children's television programming to combat rising childhood obesity rates? Is it A, Canada, B, Australia, or C, United Kingdom? The correct answer is C, United Kingdom. Which country views blue jeans as a symbol of American imperialism and strictly forbids citizens from wearing denim in public? Is it A, North Korea, B, Cuba, or C, Venezuela? The correct answer is A, North Korea.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.